importance of having an exhibition like this in the world, and especially the UAE?
Well, Future Cities is a huge event. It allows us to see the future and predict the problems and solutions, and see if there are any problem, how we can recover it, and to introduce new technologies that will keep the future generations living in a peaceful environment.
So when you talk about problems, what kind of problems are there that this generation is facing?
Actually, there's a lot of carbon dioxide emissions, and the carbon dioxide emissions is one part of the story, and there's the depletion of forests, which is the other part of the story, which is the forest is the lung of Earth, which makes oxygen. So when we talk about carbon dioxide, which is the half of the story, we are also depleting ourselves from oxygen. So it's a full cycle, really. So that is a major issue that about 100 years later from now, expectations from environmentalists that we will be with no forests. So actually we'll be living without lungs. All the wars in the history happened for water. Now, remember they put us in glass domes in futuristic movies. Well, imagine yourself now living in a glass dome for oxygen. And imagine who will kill who and who. We start killing each other for oxygen.
And obviously that's one of the big problems. So when it comes to solutions, what are some of the solutions that are being highlighted at this exhibition, and including one of yours as well?
What it's really is about recycling. We are Steelwood Industries do recycle wood. We're not calling for no cutting of trees. You have to cut trees. Trees are natural resources, and it's a very important natural resource. However, we can stabilize, or we can go in an equilibrium between cutting and usage, and the waste of that, we should find that instead of using it as storing it as stored carbon dioxide in landfills, should be going back into recycling to make high value products.
Now when it comes to a high value product, your product itself is pretty innovative. So how does innovation and sustainability tie up with your product?
Our product takes the wood from the landfills and is engineered to make what we call SDB, steel wood density board, or steel wood Dubai. It is not MDF, it is not particle board. From the mechanical properties, it delivers high mechanical properties, which allows us to use it for a variety of applications, from homes all the way to furniture. We have released a new technology called Gas Technology, PCS. It's really a solid behaving as gas. You know, gases are compressible, solids are not. Well, we have a new technology made from recycled wood that allows you to take over up to 1,000 kilonewtons or 100 tons of load without fracturing. And it's been tested by third parties. Until date, we cannot find any machine that is able to break it, to find the breaking point of it, to enable us to coat that material. And that material is 100% recycled. It can be used for future buildings. You can go up to higher towers. You can go up to more environmental towers. You can store in the carbon dioxide in for another usage for hundreds of years to go. You do not cut any single tree. The carbon dioxide itself from the tower is sellable because there is a 20, 50, 70% reduction by the government of the UAE for carbon dioxide. So all the world is worried about climate change. Carbon dioxide is a major factor. So that wood that we store in landfills can be reused to building blocks of the future. In that material, we know and we see will replace concrete and steel.
So why is your technology perfect for a city like Dubai?
The product, PCS, the solid product, really is really an anti-earthquake product. It has the solid value, it has the compression value, and it has the tensile value, and it has the ability to absorb energy. So in case there's an earthquake in a tower, that material has the ability to absorb that energy and translate it into a vibrational motion without having to fracture the main structure of the building. That's really the innovation of that product. Again, it is highly environmental, it's fireproof, it's waterproof, it's parasite-proof. Whatever questions you want, it's proof. Okay, and we are talking about some countries want to even buy us out, or joint venture, or freelance, and they were talking about projects outside of the UAE as well.
Now, when it comes to Dubai, why do you think a city like Dubai is favorable when it comes to implementing innovation and sustainability and all these technologies?
Dubai is the leader in sustainability and environmental vision. If you look in 2012, the green strategy set by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid, it's really forecasting for a better future, looking for natural new resources, looking for work for citizens, and happiness for the people residing in the UAE. All of this together, and you only can be happy when you have a cleaner environment. You only can be happy when you have when your people are educated to segregate the waste, to make use of the waste. And we also have a video that will talk about children's. We did meetings with children, and all of them are worried about we need cleaner. We don't want pollution. We want to live in a cleaner environment. So Dubai is really the center of that. And Dubai is a model. People imitate Dubai. We come to Dubai. Dubai attracts you. And you start from Dubai, you can copy the model anywhere. Dubai is a 20-star brand, 1,000-star brand. So the image itself is attractive to the world. It's very easy to start outside of Dubai.
Now,
But importing the model in Dubai is hard. It's much harder to start a model in Dubai. Okay, but then when it comes, it's much very easier to copy it outside.
Implement it outside.
Yes.
Now, one last question is this exhibition. It revolves around the Dubai 10X initiative. How exactly is your product and all the other products that are being exhibited here today fit into that initiative?
See, again, the initiative is revolving all around sustainability, environment. Is that correct about the 10X?
Yeah. Well, the goal is for them to make Dubai 10 years ahead of any other government in the world.
Okay. You are introducing a new disruptive technology. I'm talking about from Steelwood, from under the skies of Dubai. It is a disruptive technology. We have been living in concrete homes for maybe 50 or 70 or 80 years. This technology is really a copy-paste of, we will also use concrete technology, I'm not saying that, but this allows you to open homes that are cheaper, faster to make, more environmental, actually the most environmental homes, and that technology which has been born in Dubai, under the skies of the UAE, will be sent out from Dubai. Our hashtag is Dubai I Invent. It's Dubai with a capital I. It's really Dubai I Invent, as Dubai inventing. It's Dubai I Invent as a citizen, and it's Dubai I Invent as a person living in Dubai. So Dubai is a place where it attracts all of us together for a future that will be copied, and I see that very soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Great answers.